Welcome to Quick Learning. Today we are going to learn how to use ME5A command to check a list of purchase requisition against certain criterias. We can find a list of purchase requisitions from different parameters like from the material codes or the material group or from their tracking numbers, from only plant or document type, purchasing group, etc. Plus we can enter just a list of purchase requisitions over here to get these purchase requisition list. We have to enter ALV as scope of list always because it gives us a better view to check the purchase requisitions. So here I would like to show you how can we check the purchase requisitions against different criteria. For example, first of all, I will enter here only plant, that is 3003. I have entered no other criteria and I will press F8 or execute to check the list of purchase requisitions. So here these are all here is the first column of the purchase requisition and it is showing all the purchase requisitions that are created from this particular plant. Here we can see the material code of that purchase requisition, the short text, quantity, plant name, requisitioner, delivery date, and a lot of other things as well. We can open any purchase requisitions or one purchase requisition to check the detail inside that purchase requisition. So here you can see I have opened this one purchase requisition to check what we have entered in it, like its material code, text, quantity, its approval status by clicking at release strategy tab, and it is showing that it has been approved from all these tabs. So this is a way to look at a list of purchase requisitions. So another way, I will remove plant and I can just enter any requisitioner if I want to search particularly for one requisitioner. For example, I will enter this requisitioner, that is someone, and I will press execute and it will show now all the purchase requisitions related to this requisitioner. So this is the way. Here we can also see the purchase order against any purchase requisition. By clicking at this purchase order, we can even open that purchase order to look what's inside that purchase order. So this ME5A is a very useful command to check a list of purchase requisitions, their approval status. By the way, from this processing state, we can see the approval status of any purchase requisition. 05 means it has been approved, 08 means this PR is rejected, and 03 means it is still in approval. So I want to sum up by going back to the main page that this transaction ME5A is used to get a list of purchase requisitions against different criterias. We have to remember check these options to get the complete data according to our desire. Thank you so much for this video. Keep listening, Quick Learning. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.